Very good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
So
morning,
which was the chapter we were studying?
Matter in our surroundings.
Matter in our surroundings, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what all you got to know in that chapter? Shreya, can you tell what all we studied till now?
Yes,
Shreya
ma'am.
K.
Matter is a substance which occupies space
Just the
and
topics under the chapter, what all we have covered.
states of matter.
Got to know
Physical,
about the definition of matter?
any substance which occupies space and volume.
Okay, any substance that occupies space and which has mass is known to be as a matter, right? Okay, later you got to know about the three states of matter. Which are those,
Solid.
Nivedita? Which are the three states of matter?
Solid.
Okay. Solids, liquid and gases, right? So how are they being classified, Shreya KS? Be fast.
They're classified through it. When we mix the salt, it
How are
does
they
not.
classified? What is the classification of matter?
Based on physical matters.
Who will tell? Raise your hand. Yes, Srujana. Srujana. I'm unable to hear you. Unmute it. You have been muted.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Who is telling? Specify the name and tell. Srujana, I'm asking you. Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Be a bit louder.
Matter is being classified on physical properties and chemical properties.
Very good. It is being classified based on physical and chemical properties. Very good. So how were they classified in the earlier times? Yeah. Shreya KS?
They're being classified through Pancha Tattva. They are
Panchatattva. Okay, air.
earth, water, fire, and sky.
Very good. Air, water, sky, earth
Fire,
and fire.
sky.
Okay, so this was the classification. So later we got to know about the physical nature of matter. What are the two physical nature of matter? Who can tell? Raise your hands. Be fast. Ananya KM. Which are the two physical nature of matter?
Matter cannot be seen in naked eye.
Okay. So what does that mean? How small are the matter? Is the matter small or the particles small?
Particles are small.
Particles of matter are very tiny, right? Okay.
Yes,
And matter is also made up of a particle. That is nothing but an
particles.
atom.
Atom.
Right? Okay. So later we discussed about the characteristics of matter. Which are the three prominent characteristics of matter?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Characteristic of matter I'm asking. I'm not asking the states of matter.
Matter have space between them.
Matter have space between them. Okay. What is that space known to be as?
Moving.
Intermolecular space.
Very good. Interparticle space or intermolecular space. Next.
Matter continuously moving.
Matter is continuously moving or particles?
Particles.
Particles of matter are continuously moving. Next.
Moving.
They
Okay.
attract each other.
Particles of matter attract each other.
Each other.
Okay, very good. So you got to know the explanation, examples, what I have given. I have shown you few pictures to relate that. So everything is clear till here, I guess. Okay, so now we will study about the characteristics of three states of matter individually. I will be sharing you the slide now. Please go through it.
Ma'am, you will give notes, no, ma'am?
I will give. Is the screen visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so you got to know about the definition. Clear with this slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Classification of matter. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Physical nature of matter. What is matter? Is made up of a particle. The particles of matter are very small and tiny. Characteristics of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. They are continuously moving and they attract each other. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll move to the properties of states of matter. Individually, we will look at what are the properties of solids, what are the properties of liquids, and what are the properties of gases.
Yes.
Okay. So first, let us know about the solid. So you can see the structure of particle. Green and purple it is. It is a solid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first point I have written here is they have high density. What does this mean? What do you mean by density? You might have studied in your earlier classes. What is meant by
Weight.
density?
Weight. Weight.
Okay. So can you tell me the expression for density? Formula for density? No, you don't know? How denser it is? What is the mass of the particle in the unit area? In the unit volume. Imagine this is the space, a small cube, a small duster. You can imagine. How many particles are present in that duster? Imagine the duster is 10 centimeter. In that 10 centimeter, how many particles are being present? That is mass by volume. Mass by volume is known to be as density. What is density?
Mass
By volume. In the unit volume or in the unit area, how much amount of particles are being present? That is nothing but density. Imagine in a 10 centimeter space, there are presence of 100 particles. There are 100 particles. Okay, that is nothing but density.
Density.
In simpler sense, what you told, weight or how much dense it is, what is the capacity of that, is nothing but density. Why can we tell? Can you give me any one example to tell solids are denser?
Water.
Is water a solid? Radhashri, can you give me one example?
Ma'am, book, car, cup.
Car, everything you are telling the example of solid. Okay, I will give you one example. Imagine a glass of water is there. Glass of water is there. In that I will put key. Iron key.
Okay.
Okay, iron key. What will happen to the iron key? Will it float or will it come down?
Ma'am,
No,
will
it will come down.
Come down. It won't float upon the water. So what does this mean? Water is highly denser or the key is highly denser?
Key is highly denser.
Is denser.
Very good. Similarly, any other substance you imagine, your mobile itself, don't put it into water. Okay, you can imagine mobile, right? Take a huge bucket filled with water and you'll put mobile into it. What will happen? Will the mobile float?
No, ma'am.
What will happen to the will the mobile float? Don't try that.
Will go down. The
It
mobile
will
moves
go
down.
down. It will go down. Similarly, the eraser which you have, Eraser. Okay, eraser, if you put in a water, what will happen?
It
It
goes
will
down.
float. So what do you interfere with these three examples? Which one is having high density, liquid or a solid? Liquid is water.
Solid.
Mobile, rubber,
Solid.
are those, all those are what?
Solid.
Solids. So what will be the density of a solid? It will be always high.
High.
But I have one question which you have to answer tomorrow. Ice, everyone has seen, ice cube,
Yes, ma'am.
which we keep
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
freezer. What happens to
ma'am.
the ice cube when you put into water?
It will melt.
It
Dissolves.
You'll be having cool drinks. You'll be having cool drinks. Everyone will be having cool drinks, right? So what happens if you want more chillness? So what you'll do is you'll add some amount of the ice cubes into that.
ice cubes.
What happens
Yes,
to the
miss.
ice cube? Will the ice cube flow
It
down?
floats.
Will the ice cube flow down?
No, ma'am.
It will flow on the
No, ma'am.
border, right?
But
It will be
Yes,
floating,
ma'am.
right? But ice is a
miss.
solid. Ice is solid or what?
Solid.
Ice is solid. So I have one question for you. Write the question there. I want the answer tomorrow. Why ice floats? Why ice float? Even though it is solid. Even though it is solid. Why does ice float even though it is a solid? Okay, I need the answer tomorrow. So clear with the first point, students? They have
Yes,
high
miss.
density. Ice is an exception. Okay, why you have to tell me tomorrow? If you are not telling, I will tell you. But I want answer from you people. Maximum answer from you people. Fine? So what is
Yes,
the next point? They are hard to compress. I am able to hear some voice there. Please mute it. They are hard to compress because of high force of attraction. Okay. What do you mean by compress?
Crush.
Everyone have pen with you, right?
which
And every one of you have, show me your pen. Show me your pens. Okay. It is a solid.
Ma'am,
It is a solid.
ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a solid, right? Start to
Excuse me,
compress
ma'am.
it. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, say the question again, ma'am.
Later I will tell. I will send you through message. Okay, in WhatsApp I will send you. Now answer
Okay,
me.
ma'am.
Every one of you show your pens fast. Be fast. Okay. Start to compress it. Hold it straight and put pressure and start to compress it. Can you do that?
No, ma'am.
Can you compress a solid?
No,
Why
ma'am.
can't you compress your pen? Why?
Because it is tightly
It is high.
Because the particles are tightly packed
packed.
and they have high force of attraction. Okay, because they are tightly packed and have high force of attraction. Whereas
Attraction.
I have one more question. Sponge, everyone has seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Sponge.
ma'am.
Sponge is a solid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sponge is a solid. Can you compress that sponge?
Yes, miss.
You
Ma'am.
can compress the sponge. Why can you compress the sponge?
It is not tightly packed.
Even though it is a solid, even
It
though
is
it,
not tightly packed.
okay, listen to me. Listen to me now. Even though it is a solid, there are some air spaces into it. There are some air spaces. So when you start compressing the sponge, I don't want to listen any voice or else I will mute to everyone now. Do you want an interactive class or you will be speaking there? Okay, in sponge, what will be there? There will be some air spaces. So when you start to compress or when you start to squeeze it, you can see some air coming out. You can sense it. Some of the air molecules will be coming out. So you can compress the sponge. That is one exception. Clear with the second point? Third point already have explained in the yesterday's class. They are closely packed. And what will be the intermolecular space? Will the space be more or less? See the
Less.
picture and tell. It will be less. They have a
Less.
definite shape and volume. What
Volume.
does this mean? They have definite shape and volume. Can you change the shape of a solid?
No,
No,
miss.
ma'am.
No, you can't change.
ma'am.
Can you change the volume of a solid? Imagine pen itself.
Ma'am.
Don't ask any questions now. I will be giving you time. At that time, you can ask me.
Miss, we can change, miss.
By beating, by hitting, you can change. Same thing. I need. See, I'm giving you an example now. Pen. Pen is there. Can you change the shape without applying any pressure?
No, ma'am. No,
Any
ma'am.
force? No.
No, miss.
So imagine the pen has a shape of oval. It is oval shape. Okay. Its volume is, its mass is around 10 grams. Can you change the volume and shape of the pen without applying any pressure or force?
No, ma'am.
It's not possible.
We cannot change, ma'am.
You cannot change. So solids have definite shape and volume. They have definite shape and volume. Clear with all these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once
Yes,
again I'm
ma'am.
reading it out. Solids, they have high density. They are hard to compress because of high force of attraction. They are closely packed, so they have less intermolecular space. They have definite shape and volume. So what are the examples for solids? You know already. I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, next you can see here liquids. Everyone has seen the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Liquids. They are less denser than solids. First point. They are less denser than solid. So I will take an example, same example again.
Miss, what is density?
Density, I told no, mass per volume. What is the mass in the unit area? What is the number of particles in the unit area of a substance? Mass by volume is nothing but density. Okay. They are less denser than.
to mute their audios.
Ma'am can't hear you properly.
Okay.
We say everybody to mute
Everyone should mute it now. Every one of you should mute it right now. I should not listen any voice. I will be explaining. You listen to it. Okay. Okay, listen now. So they are less denser than solid. Same example I will take, water with eraser. So eraser is coming down. Where will be the water? In the upper part, right? So that shows that liquids are less denser than solid. So whichever will be having high density, that is high weight, whichever will be having, that will be coming down. Which one will be less denser? That will be floating up. Okay, this is the simple thing. Next, they are less compressible. Can you compress the liquid? No, you cannot compress the liquid. But under certain circumstances, you can compress it, but with a minimum effort, maximum effort. They are not so closely packed. You can see the picture here. Pink color particles are there. They are not closely packed. They can move within the container. If water is taken in a glass, the particles of water molecules can move here and there. Okay, because there is less intermolecular space in between them. Next, they do not have definite shape. See, I will take a glass of water and I will put it into a mud. What it will do? It will attain the shape of the mud. Okay, I will take a bottle cap and I will pour water into that. What will happen? The shape will change. They attain the shape of the container. Juice bottle, thumbs up bottle, Pepsi bottle you might have seen. It will be in a bottle. I will pour it into a glass. What will happen? Does the shape remain same as that was in bottle? No. So it will attain the shape of the glass. So in whichever container it is being present, in that container, on the shape of that container, it will attain. So that is the fourth point. Next, they have definite volume. Imagine, same cool drinks only, Pepsi bottle, which is of 100 ml. I will take and I will pour it into the glass which has the capacity of 100 ml. When you are pouring it, can the volume change? Does it become 150 ml? No, it will be same only. Whatever the quantity is there in the bottle, same quantity will be there in the glass, right? So what will happen? They have definite volume, but they do not have definite shape. Clear to all? Clear? Okay. So the third state of matter is gas. So the density of gas is minimum. Imagine a glass filled with water, only water. Where will be the gas? Gas will be surrounding the water. The more amount of gas will be surrounding the water, right? Okay. Next, gases are highly compressible. So you can easily compress the gas when it is surrounded by the boundary. Only when it is surrounded by the boundary, you can easily compress the gas. You can put pressure. So that is why LPG, CNG, what is the full form of LPG? Who will tell?
Liquid petroleum gas.
Is it liquid petroleum gas?
Liquefied petroleum gas.
Very good. It is liquefied petroleum gas. Why you are telling it as liquefied petroleum gas? It is a petroleum gas which is being liquefied. So whenever you compress something, whenever you are compressing a gas, it will be converted into a liquid. So only it is known to be as liquefied petroleum gas. See, whenever you are lighting the lighter in the home, stove, gas stove, you are lighting it. What will be coming out? Will the liquid be coming out? Liquid won't be coming out. What will be coming out? Gas will be coming out. But when you move the cylinder and when you sense it, it will be like a liquid. So whenever the gas is being compressed, where it is compressed inside the cylinder, it is being compressed. Within the cylinder, it is being compressed, and when it is coming out, the pressure will be less. So it comes out as a gas. Understanding? So you can easily compress the gas by putting pressure. What is CNG?
Compressed natural
Compressed natural
Compressed
gas.
natural gas. Even that is a natural gas which is being compressed. Next, the particles are loosely packed. The particles can move randomly. These all things I have already explained, right? They are loosely packed. The particles in the gas are loosely packed. The particles can move randomly with high speed. They have high tendency to flow. They can easily move. They have high rate of diffusion. What do you mean by diffusion? Yesterday I have told. What is diffusion? Who will tell? What do you mean by diffusion? Any one of you? What is diffusion? I gave you an example of incense stick. Food put inside the kitchen.
From high concentration to low concentration.
Very good. Who is telling that? Specify your name.
Kanika.
Okay, Pranita, tell me the definition of diffusion.
The molecules move through high concentration to low concentration.
Okay, very good. The molecules can move from high concentration to lower concentration. That is nothing but diffusion. Same thing I would like to tell now. They have high rate of diffusion. Gases, I had already given you the example that if your mother is cooking food inside the kitchen, you can sense that when you are entering the home. Why? Because high concentration to low concentration, the particles are moving, the molecules are moving, so they have high rate of diffusion. Next, they do not have definite shape. There is a mistake in that slide. They do not have definite shape and volume. Can you give the shape to the gas?
No, miss.
Can you measure it without any boundary? In balloon, if you blow it, you can measure, but instantly can you measure that? No.
No,
So they
ma'am.
do not have definite shape and they do not have definite
Definite volume.
volume. They have very less force of attraction. Why do they have
Because
less force? Why do they have
they
less
are not
force of
tightly
attraction?
packed.
They are not tightly packed. The particles are moving randomly, so they have less force of attraction.
Attraction.
Okay, see the pictures I have shown there. Gases are all around you. Atmosphere of the earth, it has gas, bubbles in soda, fumes from volcanoes, helium in the balloon. So these are the examples for gases. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
clear with it? Every one of you
Yes,
got it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are left out with 2 minutes of time. If at all you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, everyone are noting down the points?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, see, I will be sharing you these slides only. Okay, I will be giving you questions. Start writing the notes. Whichever answer
ma'am.
is not there in the slide, I will be giving you those answers.
Okay,
Fine?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.